Final video to fix Oblivion Remastered performance and crashing issues, because these problems stop the game from running smoothly and ruin your experience. Are you playing Oblivion Remastered and noticing low FPS, stutters, or crashes that interrupt gameplay? This problem happens when graphics drivers are outdated, game files are corrupted, or system settings conflict with the game. Sometimes background apps, mods, or Windows updates also trigger performance drops and crashes without warning. Many players search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that improves performance and stops crashes fast. This trick works because it updates drivers, repairs game files, and optimizes system settings instead of changing random options. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky tools, or a full reinstall. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows systems and GPUs. After this, Oblivion Remastered runs smoothly, FPS improves, crashes disappear, and gameplay is stable. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed this exact issue using this method. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix Oblivion Remastered performance and crashing issues for good.